Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming something very exciting. This is my first giveaway that is sort of related to back to school, back to uni, and this is specifically for those who are going to university or those who are planning to go to university in the near future. I thought this would really help you guys out. This was sort of inspired by my mum because last year when I just started out my vlog channel, my mum and my family sort of organised this leaving party for me and Aiden to say goodbye to us because we were going to university soon, and obviously we were all very family orientated, so they sort of wanted to have like a little send-off party. And me and Aiden had no idea, but my mum had been like collecting loads of things over the month and made us little university survival kits. I'll leave that vlog down below in case anyone's wondering what my mum included in ours, but I have used some of her ideas and sort of the whole concept of it to give you guys a little kit for university. I thought it would really help you guys out because obviously some of the things you have to buy for uni are really boring and bland and you hate wasting your money on it. So as well as giving you a few nice little bits and bobs, I've actually put in some very practical things that you may have forgotten to include, so hopefully this inspires some of you to get some other things ready. And yeah, I'm really excited for you, and I just thought this was a different idea. I've not seen anyone else do anything like this on YouTube, so fingers crossed it's original, unique, you've never seen this before. And at the end of the video I'll tell you exactly how you can win all of these prizes. So let's get into what I've included in the survival kit. So I think I'm going to start off with all the stationery bits, as that's probably the most exciting, nice things, and then I'll move on to the really random things you probably wouldn't want to buy yourself but are going to be really handy for you as a university student. First of all, if you know me, you will know that I abide by planners, organisers. I'm like very organised and love list making and everything, so I decided to get you an academic journal. So this starts in September 2018, I'm pretty sure. I might even start... Yeah, this starts in September 2018, so just when you start your academic year, and then ends 2019, about August times. I thought this would be really handy. It's just sort of marble printed and very like neutral tones. So I decided to pick up that first as I thought it would be very, very useful. Next thing I bought were a set of revision cards. My brother's actually bought quite a few of these for himself, but I thought these revision cards would be perfect for those of you who love using flashcards when you're revising, or just throughout the year to help you remember information and retain any knowledge that you need to know for any upcoming exams or assignments or presentations. So yeah, I thought revision cards would be super helpful, and these are my favourite ways to revise. So then I also bought a little twin pack of notebooks. So these are like peachy and sort of speckled. They're just two of the same mini, I think A6 notebooks they are. And yeah, I just thought they would be handy just for jotting down notes. Obviously not lecture notes because it's pretty small, but just for any bits and bobs, maybe to-do lists, shopping lists, who knows, whatever you fancy. I also decided to get you a see-through pencil case. Not the prettiest of pencil cases, but these are the ones you have to use for your exams. So I've popped in 5 pens, 5 pencils, a bit of a boring one, but something you definitely will need. And yeah, I just thought I'd get these because they break really easily, but they're so necessary and you can't have enough of them, to be honest. The last stationery bits I got one of these Bic 4-colour pens, one of those ones where you can push them down and you have a variety of colours. Again, these are good for note making during lectures if you want to like put some main information in red and then extra reading in blue, like if you know you want to research into something a little bit more, you can use these colours to sort of separate out your lecture notes. I thought this would be very handy for any university student. I also got a packet of, I also got a little pot of black pins. These are going to be super handy if you have lots of photos to hang up. If you saw all my uni vlogs, if you haven't, you should probably watch them while you can in summer and binge them. But I had a massive pin board full of loads of photos, and you obviously need pins for that. So this is something you could probably look past, forget. So I decided to hook you up with a little pot of pins that can help you stick all your photos and little bits and bobs on your pin board, because most student halls usually like they provide a pin board in your room. I don't know, quite a few of them that I've seen online have. And the last thing that I've got stationery wise is a meal planner, and this is actually magnetic, so if you have a fridge you can pop this on it if you're a university student that's maybe in second year or whatever and you're in a house rather than halls, because obviously you don't really want to put a meal planner on a fridge full of a shared flat if they're not like your friends. But this has Monday to Sunday meal planner. It has breakfast snack, lunch snack, dinner snack. so it can cater for all your needs. This can help you also plan your food shop in a way, because you know what you're going to eat the following week, and then you sort of rip it off once you finish and everything. And then at the bottom you actually have a bit to write your shopping list, and then you can actually like peel that off and take that when you're going shopping. So I thought this was really handy. I got this from Wilko actually, so if anyone is interested and wants to go buy it themselves, then that's where it's from. But I thought that would be super handy for a uni student, because my meals were all over the place, especially at the beginning where I didn't really know what I wanted, what I fancied cooking, what I could cook. So I just thought that would help you see the whole week, see sort of what you can make out of the things that you've bought. Moving on to random bits and bobs now that you might think are really stupid, but I thought it would be quite fun and just interesting to include. So this, I thought everyone hopefully likes this, but it's just a plain taupe coloured polka dot mug. And the reason I bought this, one, because lots of uni students either are an avid tea drinker like myself or are addicted to coffee. I'm personally not a coffee fan, I wish I was, but a lot of uni students stereotype that they're like addicted to coffee and use coffee a lot to like stay awake. So I thought this would be good because most people do like hot drinks. I know some people don't, but it'll be useful anyway. And if not, you can like put your pens in if you don't like hot drinks. And then the second reason I bought this was because I actually have pretty much a matching mug to this, and I just thought it'd be cute if I could match one of my viewers. Just thought that would be a fun idea. So yeah, I've popped this mug in the giveaway as well. I also bought a reed diffuser. It was quite difficult because obviously everyone has different scent preferences, but I decided to go for the wild berries reed diffuser smell because I don't know, I just thought most people like the berry scent, fingers crossed, and if not, then you could probably put it in like a public area rather than in your room if you don't want it to be like sickly. But I used a reed diffuser throughout the whole year. I actually used one from Primark. This one was from a shop that I bought. It was sort of independent shop, so because it was in Hemsby, but I used a reed diffuser all year at uni and it helped my room like smell constantly nice. And being at uni, there can be like gross scents constantly, like lots of different bits going wrong with maintenance and everything, and things can smell a lot, and also of drugs. So I just liked having a reed diffuser because it blocked out all the horrible scents of uni student halls. Another thing that I thought would be a nice idea is a photo frame. So this is just a simple, it's silver metallic frame, and it's a 5x7 inch. I just thought you could pop a photo of you and your family, you and your boyfriend, girlfriend, you and your sister, brother, like just anyone who you think is special. You could probably fit 2 photos in there if you wanted to. Thought it would be a nice idea as a lot of people may get homesick or miss people at uni, so it would be nice to have like a photo there if you don't have a pin board, for example. So I hope this is a nice gift and people think that's a good idea, I don't know. Next thing I got were little shot cups. So this is a pack of 20. I thought most people go to uni and drink and stuff. Some people don't, so don't feel worried if you don't. But I just thought this would be a good idea to any house parties or any flat parties in your freshers or first few weeks. So just put some little shot glasses. Thought they were very uni-esque. Moving on to the really shitty ones, but things that we don't buy or hate to buy. Bin bags. This is so grim, like I can't believe I'm giving my subscribers bin bags. This is fucking stupid, but here you are. I'm supplying you with 45 sacks. No, on a real note though, I hated buying bin bags and it was the bane of my life, like buying bin bags. Like who wants to spend their money on this shit? Like I'd rather not. So hooking you up with these bin bags, I definitely recommend buying these before you go, because when you're at uni you really don't want to spend very little money on bin bags. I also thought I'd hook you up with an umbrella. Seeing as you go to uni when it's like autumn winter time, in the UK it usually rains a lot. So I thought an umbrella would be handy. This could be something a lot of people forgot, because I definitely did. I never thought of this myself. It was my nan who actually gave me one, and I was like, oh my god, like if I ever had a lecture and it was raining, I'd just have to get drenched on the way, because all of the coats that I brought to uni didn't have hoods. So I thought this was a great idea. I got a red one. Thought this was, most people quite like red, I don't know. So yeah, just got a red umbrella because I thought it would be handy if you're having to walk from place to place, like lectures, things that you have to go to and you don't have a coat like me. Okay, last 3 things. I decided to use my mum's idea and buy some household cleaning gloves. Woo! Another thing that's not very exciting, but hopefully I can provide it for you so you don't have to go out of your way to buy these yourself. So these are just cleaning gloves, like for the kitchen, the toilet. Uni halls can get absolutely disgusting, so we needed these a lot of times during our first year. So I took you up with those, and I got them in the size medium, so hopefully that caters to everyone. Also, along with that, another cleaning product, I got some fairy liquid, something that we also stocked up on right at the beginning of the year. We never actually had to buy any more of this because every single person in our flat bought a massive bottle of this, so it sorted us out for the whole year. So I definitely recommend doing that if you don't end up winning this. But yeah, here you go, fairy liquid. I'm also stupid giving this stuff away. And then the last thing, I feel like a lot of people would forget like a little first aid kit or something like that, so I decided to pick you up some plasters. This is 40 assorted sensitive plasters, so lots of different sizes in here. Not that many of you will probably care, but I just thought that's quite a practical thing to have that you will forget at uni, so hope they come in handy. I really hope you don't have to use them, to be honest, but it's always handy if someone in your flat has plasters. So they are all the prizes. I really hope that you liked all of them. I really hope this helps one of you out there who is going to uni possibly this year, because that would be great. I'd love to see you use them and everything. Rules on how to enter: make sure you thumbs up this video, you're subscribed to this channel, make sure to head over to my main channel and subscribe to that one too, because I am actually going to be doing another stationery giveaway over there. So if you're not going to uni or don't have any interest in uni supplies, then I'm actually going to be doing just a giveaway on stationery for back to school, whether you're doing your GCSEs, your A-levels, you're going to uni, or just like have an office job and want to win some nice new stationery. Then make sure you're subscribed to my main channel as well so you don't miss out on that. Make sure you hit the little bell button so you're notified every time I upload. I want you to comment your favourite item from this giveaway, and also a contact of how I can get in touch if you do win the giveaway, so either your Instagram or Twitter. Feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for updates on when I'm shouting out the giveaway winner, because I'm not really sure when I'm ending this yet. It will probably be on the 1st of September. I think that's a good date, so I can get the winner the prize sent out before they go to uni or whatever. So yeah, it'll probably be the 1st of September, but make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter too, because that'll give you 2 extra entries. You don't have to do that, that's not compulsory, but if you do want to do that, let me know you have down below. I'm really excited to see all your comments and reply to them all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope this helps one of you guys out. Thank you. Bye.